this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to talk about a few things that customers may be unaware of, the things that take place at a dealership behind the scenes. A few of those things, it's best to be understood that first and foremost, we are three businesses in one. What that means is we have the dealership portion. This is where we sell cars. Then we have a service department. In that department, that's where they do oil changes, tire rotations, and minor fixes for your vehicles. Then we have a garage in the back that has our master Mazda technicians. They're the ones who do the really hard work by actually fixing the vehicles, taking engines apart, brake jobs, you name it, those guys can do it. A lot of times, customers will come in, and I'm guilty of this as well. They come in and they think we're just one business. That's kind of correct. One business in the sense of the name of the business is Russ Darrow. There is one owner of the vehicle, one owner of the store, but three different businesses. And what that means is when we have a car that needs to get fixed, our garage bills us for that car that has to get fixed, which means what? It's not free for us to get the cars fixed. So a lot of times, customers will buy a used vehicle, and the used vehicle may have some issues or whatnot, and they'll say, well, you guys can just fix it, right? And it doesn't always work out that way. Sure, we can fix it, but can we fix it for free? That is the question. Everything costs everyone something. So that's one thing. Another industry secret that people aren't aware of nowadays is that cash is no longer king. Back in the day, people would say, if I pay cash, am I going to get a better deal? Well, in the 60s, 70s, and 80s, that was definitely the case. But nowadays, due to the internet, dealerships have to advertise their vehicles at the absolute lowest possible cost. And the reason they do that is they need to get you in the door. To get you in the door, you're online, you're shopping, you're price shopping, you're checking every dealership in Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and you're trying to find the best deal, and that's what you're supposed to do. So us as a dealership, to get your business, we take all the profit out of the vehicle and we show you that vehicle priced at its bare minimum. So what does that mean to you? That means that when you come in, if you say, I'm paying cash, can I get a better deal? Unfortunately, most of the time, the answer is no, because we already priced at the lowest possible margin that we can. When a dealership sells a car, that dealership has to still pay me, the sales associate. We have to pay for the lights in the building. We have to pay for the mortgage on the building. We have a service department to pay. We have techs that we have to pay. We have management staff that we have to pay. There's an F&I department that has to be paid. So there's a lot of aspects to this business and things that have to get paid from selling a vehicle. Now, dealerships work with a lot of banks. And when you finance with us, the dealership gets a kickback from the bank. That helps us to actually pay our bills. So if you come in and say, I'm going to finance with you, I'm not saying you're going to get a better deal, but you might get a better deal. Another unknown theory or an unknown reality to a dealership is the fact that we sales associates are 100% commission-based employees. What does that mean? That means we don't get an hourly wage, we don't get a sell. If we don't sell cars, we can't pay our bills. So that's why when a sales associate's working within a floor plan, they're doing everything they possibly can to give you the best possible experience because they ultimately want you to buy a vehicle. There's a lot of different things, a lot of different behind the scene motions that take place here at the dealership, but we do appreciate you, we do appreciate your business, and we just want to be as plain and open as possible. Once again, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda.